Silly songs and happy songs, bitter songs and crappy songs, peacing songs and fighting songs, wronging songs and righting songs, and thirsty songs and glutton songs, and mending songs and cutting songs, and immense songs and tiny songs, and dull and hard or shiny songs. I like songs that help me through my day. I like songs that help me find a better way. Fractured songs, tinsel songs, shallow songs, dental songs, loving songs, hating songs, divorcing songs and mating songs, and birthday songs and dying songs, surrender songs, trying songs, the worst songs, the better songs, forgiving songs, scarlet letter songs. I like songs, they help me through my day. I like songs, they help me find a better way. Moving songs and staying songs, ignoring songs, praying songs, beginning songs and ending songs, and breaking songs and mending songs, stupid songs, thinking songs, loving songs, drinking songs, sexy songs, doubted songs, bedtime songs, rowdy songs. Well, I like songs, they help me through my day. I like songs, help me find a better way. Yeah, 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 songs.